Hi, my name is Davide Costa. I'm a chef here at UCLA. My heritage is Italian, as you can see, and pasta making is very important in my family. And so I'm going to show you a little sliver of my life. Welcome to the kitchen, or as I like to call it, my sanctuary. Here, this is where I cook things. And today, this is where we're going to be making our pasta. Step 1, salt your water. You do this because you raise the temperature rapidly, and then once you raise it, then you can add the pasta. Next step, add your pasta. This one is only 7 to 9 minutes. That's all we're doing. We're going quick with this one. So we're just gonna boom, add a little bit in there. Yup. You add that in there, and then I set a timer up right now. Timer on lock. Happy cheese. No, we don't have Parmesan! No! No!
Wait, what are we gonna use instead of Parmesan?
Nothing. We can't. There's no replacement for that kind of stuff.
We don't have Parmesan in the fridge?
No. We just got figs, bruh. 3, 2, 1. Not that. You know what I call that? You know what I call that? Bing bang! Oh, look how beautiful this is right now. You know what I call this? God's elixir. Looks like it's time to taste the chef's dish. The way that the flavors explode. You know what I always say? Bon appetit. And good luck in life.